Ako si Arnel, ang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine na XP600. Head clean. Nozzle test. Ito ang aming printer head. Ito ang aming capping. Aming ABR at ABR plug. Aming in-use supply. Ito naman ang aming use supply. Aming checklist. At ang aming workload. Aming consumable. Black. Magenta. Yellow. Cyan. White. Resin powder. At film.